Today, getting a new electricity connection or making changes to an existing one is still slower and more manual than it needs to be. Customers submit documents. Utilities verify them separately. Meter details live in one system, premise records in another.
And consent to participate is often implicit, inconsistent, or not traceable.
A simple address change can take weeks. India Energy Stack changes this by creating a single, trusted digital onboarding workflow. One customer, one premise, one connection, one verified digital record. So when a customer applies for a new connection, the system can instantly validate who they are, where the premise is, what infrastructure is being used, and what permissions are in place, without repeating the same checks across multiple systems.
So what does this mean for everyone involved?
For customers, it means faster service activation, fewer follow-ups, and a smoother digital experience. For utilities, this reduces turnaround time, eliminates duplication, and improves data quality from day one. And for the ecosystem, this verified record becomes the foundation for everything that comes next: billing, supplier switching, rooftop solar installation, energy efficiency programs, subsidy delivery, and new energy services. Digital customer onboarding isn't just about speed. It's about creating a single source of truth, a trusted digital foundation for every energy relationship in India.
One nation, one frequency, now one digital grid. India Energy Stack, an initiative by the Ministry of Power. Built in India for the world.